Welcome to the first episode of open source alternatives to daily apps. No ads, no trackers, just pure functionality and privacy. So, without any further delay, let's get into it. The first app on the list is 𝙎𝙬𝙄𝙉𝙆𝙎. It features a modern user interface with a default grid layout. You can easily access all your albums from the app's homepage. Additionally, you can arrange your photos in a timeline order based on their creation dates. The app also offers multiple customization options. I'll leave that for you to explore. One useful feature allows you to hide your photos or videos. Simply click on the item you want to hide and select the hide option. Furthermore, 𝙎𝙬𝙄𝙉 includes basic photo editing features such as cropping, rotating, and resizing. Most video players applications are cluttered with ads, having uninspired UIs and offer poor navigation. With this, the next player is a great and secure video player you should consider as your go-to option. It features a simple UI with material design integrated. Unlike most video players that load all your folders, it only scans and loads folder containing video files, enhancing security since it doesn't access your entire phone storage. It also supports subtitles, audio playback options, and various screen settings. Moreover, this application also supports PIP mode or picture-in-picture mode. Moving on to the file management applications, my personal favorite is File Explorer. While its name is quite generic, it stands out as fantastic alternative to the default file manager application, which are often filled with ads and may lack security. The app is neat and easy to navigate, allowing you to open multiple tabs for smoother file movements and better organization. It includes an excellent file search feature and dedicated text editing setting for editing HTML files directly within the app. You can preview photos, watch videos, and open PDFs directly, and it makes compressing files or extracting archives easy. With this, the next application on the list is OSS Document Scanner. It is a powerful open source alternative to the mainstream scanning applications. It offers an easy way to scan, enhance, and export documents as PDFs or images. Whether you are capturing scans with a camera or importing existing files for enhancement, the app provides multiple filters to improve clarity, making it easy to use. The next app on the list is 𝙈𝙀𝙕. 𝙈𝙀𝙕 is a fantastic open source alternative to Shazam, offering powerful music recognition with the help of Azure cloud services. It can identify millions of songs and provide additional details like album information, release year, and streaming links. A standout feature is its offline mode, which allows you to record songs and recognize them later on when you are back online. Recognized tracks are saved within the application, allowing you to filter favorites or delete them as needed. With its clean interface and customization options, 𝙈𝙀𝙕 is a reliable ad-free choice for effortless discovering music.